What's up, everyone? It is Anthony from Heroes of Anime, and today we got ourselves the Kamen Rider Geats DX Command Twin Buckle and Raising Sword set. Oh my gosh, I'm actually pretty excited for this. I'm more excited for this than I thought I would be. Literally, the only reason why I bought this was for this. Literally, I probably wouldn't have bought this if it weren't for this. I know. Bandai. But this is of course, the TYCOON Rider Core ID. Definitely had to have this to basically complete the 5 main riders in Geats. I mean, I had to have this. I had to. So definitely got that. So we're going to be using that today with this. And yeah, like I said, I'm actually pretty excited for this. This looks actually really cool. At first I was like these forms are, I'm like, I don't know how I feel about these forms because they look more like just like robots, transformers than Kamen Riders, but still pretty cool. Mechanical Kamen Riders right there. But yeah, of course we got Geats and TYCOON. I believe Geats is in the command jet mode and TYCOON is in the cannon mode. And we did a whole video about, you know, explaining like all of this. So go check that out if you haven't already. But we finally have the toy here. We got the sword, the raising sword, and then the twin buckle, which are these two things there. Very, very cool. We will, of course, try all this in our Desire driver. On the side, we got a very nice picture of TYCOON with the 2 toys, or I guess technically 3 toys there. And then on the other side, we have Geats, again with the toys on the other side. On the back, bunch of stuff. This does, you know, all the things with the driver, and then we got stuff with the, you know, the sword and everything. And here's the TYCOON Core ID. Very, very cool. Yeah, just kind of what everything does. So we'll try to take a look at all of that in today's video, and we got, you know, all the stuff that it does up there as well. Down here, no, nothing. All right, cool. All right, let's get this baby open. I don't know if we need batteries for this thing. We'll find out. Let me know in the comments if you picked this up. And also, please make sure to watch the toy hunting video that we did. Yeah, we went over to Aeon Mall here in Hiroshima to pick this up. We went to good old Toys R Us Japan. Gotta love Toys R Us. All right, here we go. Let's open this baby up. Oh my goodness, here we go. All right, let's start off here with the sword. Very, very cool. Wow, okay. All right, this is a good, whoa, I like this. Okay, this is a good size. This is a good, like the handle is a good size. I could fit this comfortably with my hand, in my hands. You know, like that's good. That's perfect. My hand's pretty big too, so that's great. That is great. Love that blue and orange color scheme. Very reminiscent of Xaid, that one Xaid form, which, what was the name of that? I forgot. It was level 10, right? I'm pretty sure it was level 10 in Xaid. So that's pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. It holds pretty nicely in my hand, so that's nice. And of course, we got the 2 twin buckles. Here we got the orange side. Bam, right there. Very nice. So this side does not have sounds. This does not have sounds. Bam, right there. You can see the rail system in the back. Okay, very cool. Oh, this does have a button here to press down. But this blue one does have sounds. Oh, great. So we can take this out. Let's do that. But yeah, here's the blue side. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, just, you know, opposite. This has a button. Command twin buckle. Okay. And then this does that too. All right, cool. So yeah, the sounds come out of the speakers there. This also has sound. Does this? Oh! Oh, great. This already has batteries. Okay. That's good. All right. Well, let's do that again because there's lights that we got to look at. Oh. What? It's not saying raising sword again. Oh, I pressed this. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so, yeah, when you press this down, it does that. That's fun. Sounds are gonna come out of this thing, too, so we're gonna take a look at all that. What's this? Oh, maybe this is probably to take out the raise buckle. Okay, so let's see. What do we do? All right, we got our, oh, that's upside down. Desire driver right here. It is already on. And what we're gonna do is we're going to, oh yeah, we gotta open this guy up. That's what we gotta do first. Man, we gotta open this guy up first. Finally. I don't understand why they had to make TYCOON the campaign item. Could have just done Punk Jack. I mean, Punk Jack was released like the weekend before Halloween, so that made sense. But like, still, TYCOON is a main, right? He's a secondary writer. Why you gotta make his stuff campaign? I don't understand that. Anyways, we got it. It's fine. We got it. We're gonna put it in the driver. Finally. Finally. Dang right. Heck yeah, love to see that. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of base this off of the box here. So we put in the orange one first, I guess. Let's try that. That's pretty. Henshin! Great. All right. Yeah, it is great. All right, cool. So now we are raising form TYCOON. So that's cool. All right, great. Let's see. Now what we're going to do is put this aside. Now we're going to take a look at the sword here. And this is on, right? Yes, I left it on. Oh, I just noticed it was blue and then orange at the top here. That's nice. Oh, it rotates through different lights. I didn't notice that. Oh, that's cool. So this one's like a blue to white. This one's just all blue. And this one's blue to orange or yellowish. That's cool. I like that. I didn't know that they did that. That's cool. All right. Let's see. Now we got to put in the thingy. This thingy, I mean, the blue twin raise. What was it called? Twin command buckle. We're gonna just kind of just stick it in there. Okay. Okay, so that's all you do. That's all you do. There you go. Better look for you all. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can only put one on, obviously. I guess you do this. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, I see. And then you gotta take it off. Somehow. Oh yeah, duh. So the sound's coming from this buckle, and then we're gonna put it in here. Ooh, I like that. That's fun. I love the jingles here. That's awesome. Okay, and then. Oh, that's sick. That is too sick. Yo, let's go, man. That's sick. Oh, okay. Now let's revolve on. Okay, we gotta. Oh my gosh. Wow. Does this do anything else? Like. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh, what the heck? I see. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, because that would make sense because that's really interesting. So like technically, theoretically, you could play you could do this one and it'll play the sounds on the driver while this is doing its own thing. That's kind of cool. It's not accurate, but it is kind of cool. And we can also revolve on, of course. And, you know, do similar stuff here, you know. Like such. That's cool. Yeah, so when we revolve on, you basically just switch to the, you know, between jet or cannon mode. So I believe this way it's cannon mode, and then the other way is jet mode. Bam, jet mode right there. All right, cool. Wow. So you can do more things with the sword by pressing this. Ooh, I like that. Dude, some of the jingles for Geats, really catchy, really cool. Love this. Okay. Ooh. Oh, ooh, look at the colors. Oh, there's more colors in this than I thought. All right, that's cool. You see that with the green and red? I'll show it again. That's fun. I'm gonna put that back on because this makes a different noise. I didn't know that. We gotta try some other buckles because I'm just very curious as to if this even would do anything with other buckles, but we're gonna try. We're just gonna try. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. We got boost because, I mean, that's just a requirement. We gotta try it, right? Let's do it. Let's try to put this thing in. Oh my gosh. Will this fit? Will this even fit? That's a good question. I don't know if this will even fit. Oh, maybe it's supposed to go this way. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay, look at that. There you go. We got. This looks ridiculous. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it will activate the all charge sound, but obviously all the other sounds are coming from the twin command buckle that you actually use with this. So okay. If we try one of the smaller ones, wait, which way? That looks pretty sleek. Not gonna lie, that looks actually pretty dope. Look at that. Okay. So yeah, that will just activate the all charge thing. That's pretty cool. And you'll still be able to do the tactical raising sound. But when you activate all charge, that's when you can activate tactical raising. Okay, alright, that's cool. You could try a bunch of different ones here. We got the Libero one, Libero driver right here. Bam. Look at that. Oh, let's turn that over. Bam, look at that. So, yeah, just press that down. This looks sleek. We gotta try beat. We just have to because it actually has sound. So let's see what we could do here. There you go. Gosh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so pressing the keys won't activate the all charge noise. Only the DJ thing, the record scratcher thing, that will only activate the all charge sound. I mean, you could still theoretically have this music going, right? Like such. Of course, you have to stop it, but then it'll activate the all charge sound again, so you know. Still very interesting. So then is this gonna be able to, the orange one? Okay, so it does fit. But of course, it's pretty much this, it's gonna do the same thing as these other raise buckles, which, you know, because it doesn't have sound, so. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so then let's try the driver with some other buckles. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I want to try, we'll try this one first with arrow, why not? Great armed arrow. That's cool. I like that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's try boost then. Great boost. That's interesting. That's interesting. I like that. I like this great boost or great arrow, great whatever, you know. That's pretty cool. I like that. Now, what if we try it with the blue one? Oh, wow, that was a cluster F of sounds right there. Wow, okay. I heard the gimmick, this gimmick, and the driver say fight at the same time, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Hmm? Yeah, it did not line up. Let's try Libera. Yeah, I heard fight twice. Oh man, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's kind of weird because this thing itself has sounds like the sounds that you would already have from like the other buckles, you know, with the driver. So yeah, that's doesn't work exactly. It doesn't line up exactly, but if you just want to hear just an abundance of sounds all together. Last one we'll try is the beat raise buckle just for funsies. Yeah. Yeah, so definitely not gonna line up exactly. But still really fun. And there we have it. We have the Command twin buckle? That's what it's called. The Command twin buckle and the Raising Sword set from Kamen Rider Geats. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I like the jingles. I like the standby sounds. And the fact that we finally have the TYCOON Core ID. Finally, I do like the lights. The lights are very pretty, especially on the sword. And the fact it's basically 2-in-1, 2-in-1 buckles. Love that. Absolutely love that. So thank you all so much, everyone, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow us on our social media down in the description below. We also have a Discord, so make sure to flex your toys. You know, if you got these, go flex them. Go show those off to us. We want to see all of your collectibles and things like that. And we will see you all next time.